Mabuhay! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel and we are back for another video reaction. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Love. So for today's video guys, we'll to react on this two talented artists, SB19 together with Glock9 with a song Kalakat music video. I'm really so excited to listen to it guys because this is the first time that I'll be listening to the song. But before we start this video, big shout out to all 18. Hi, thank you so much guys, and also to all SB19 fans always watching a reaction video. Big shout out to you guys. Thank you so much. Well, I'm really so excited. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. Oh. Oh, Josh. Maglalim talaga ng boses ni Ken.
Daghang panuwing na need na dira pero pikin ang zer. Grabe sila masuko pag makita nila ikaw nagpaka-real. Yeah.
Nakarinig ka ng binangkwan. Yung nag-rap ang isang di makabasa pinggan. Boss nga'y anghel pakinggan, mga salita ay nakikipagsundukan. Kakaiba di makakailang, kakainin mo lahat ng mga salita. Masarap di ba di ka magsasawa, tunukin mo na lang, tama na ang kuda. Binurasin na na pero di mo pa rin kaya isuka. Kumaya na wala din nila kami, nagsimula lahat kumaya. Laging pinibila at kahit na
Matulala ako kayo.
sa unang tingin pa lang kala mo na nawala akong ibubuga. Teka lang sandali, tumigil ka at titigan ako sa aking mga mata. Alam mo ba nang bukod sa aking mukha, daming bagay pa ang pwede kong itinda. Wag mo nang alamin, baka maingit ka. Teka rito, baka kita kita. Why don't you just listen? Bakit ba ikaw nang maraminin? Alam ko namang isa ka
diba yung dating?
ang gusto ring
magnet.
sa iya. You can't stop this, we gonna get it. Who can none, cause we wanna take it. Alam mo yan, pag kami laging iba. Labang ang ipon pag kami nagtitinda.
This stuff you been drinking it up. Too much, give it a sauce. Too real, I know what it's up.
You can't stop this, we gonna get it. Labang ang ipon pag kami nagtitinda.
Hindi pa naman magtitinda, bibiling ko yan. Ang lakas nung dating ng music video na to. Talagang nanghihili, alam mo yun? Okay. The legendary Glock9.
Bawat tunog na pinipinta, hindi mo to maiinda. Parang patalim na tinara kaming pinadana, kadamang-dama mo na. Dala namin pag kami ang parating, tulad ng isang pinagbigyang hiling. Makikita na lamang ang iyong sarili na sumasang-ayong umiiling. Kahit ilang ulit pa ang dumaang panahon, naming alulong, di makukulong sa kahon. Tumatagundong na parang gulong ng pison, sa isang tugon ay tumatalon sa balon. Kami lamang at wala ng iba pa, itaya mo na lahat ang kayang ikasa. Wala nang kaharangan, di namin kayang daanan kasi mapapalaba kaya na dapat na alam mo na.
Bakit ba ayaw nyo bang aminin? Alam ko naman isa ka rin sa paligid na gusto rin makapaligid sa iya. You can't stop this, we gonna get it. Who can none,
there you have it, guys. The Kalakal music video by SB19 and Clog9. Wow. Talagang wala akong masabi. As in, natulala talaga ako on this music video, guys. And definitely, for sure, lahat tayo na manunod nito kung SB19 na magbibenta ng kalakal, definitely bibili natin yan. Anyway, guys, sobrang ganda nung kanta. Ang lyrics niya, sobrang daling kabisaduhin. Talagang sobrang catchy. Talagang mapapasabay ka, mapapaindak ka listening to the song. And, wow, na-speechless ako. Iba yung editing ng music video, maganda. Talagang pang-international yung datingan. And, wala na akong masabi, guys. Ang galing na SB19. As in, every time na may nilalabas silang music video, makikita mo talaga nag-i-improve na nag-i-improve na nag-i-improve. So, salute to you guys. Once again, pinakita nyo ang talento ng Pinoy. Ang galing. Sobra. Thank you so much for this music video, guys. Nag-enjoy ako. And definitely added to my playlist. Kasi, first, ang gwapo ng mga boys. Sobrang gwapo. Ito yung siguro sabihin na natin na wild side, sexy side, at the same time, wala eh, parang hilahin ka na lang eh. Parang mga chick magnets talaga tong voice na to eh. And second, sobrang ganda ng lyrics, guys. Talagang madali siyang kabisaduhin. Marirealize mo na lang while listening to the song. Talagang napapakanta ka na lang with them. And third, mapapaindak ka. Sobrang ganda ng beat. And wala, ang sarap lang niya talagang painggan. Anyway, guys, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed your reaction video for today, guys, because I really did enjoy it. And if you want to watch a full video in this, I'm gonna put the link on the description box below. Hope you check it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please still like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also, guys, please do not forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be updated to all my videos. Hope you wonderful rest of your day today. I'll be seeing you guys later. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much, guys. Stay safe, everyone. Ingat po tayong lahat. Bye.